believe a turkey's egg could fall into my nest. It's just a freak of nature, just a larger prey on all the other eggs I've ever laid. This one's different, but there's different, and there's different. Oh my word! What's wrong with you? You're not like your brothers and sisters. They're different. Does that bother you at all? No? What about water? How would you like to go for a swim?
I'd love to, Mama.
Oh, thank heavens for that! I knew you were gonna mind. Now, your father was taking the others off for their first swimming lesson. So, how about you and I do the same, right here at the water's edge? Nothing too fancy, mind you, just the basics to get you started. Ooh, it's a bit nippy, but we'll soon warm up. The important thing is not to be afraid of the water.
I'm not afraid, Mama. Can we swim out to that island?
Good gracious, no, it's further than you think. Why, I haven't been out there since your father and I were courting, and I didn't mean to go that far then. Now, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Just do as I do. You should take to it like a duck. You should take to it. Hold your head up high, like the most happy fellow one can be. Oh, each thigh, apropos of propeller, must keep paddling with your crackers to keep paddling with your crackers to see me. To be dreaming and falling.
Like this?
It's the way. Bend your knees. Ooh, no splashing, please. And steady to your right. Danger sign.
Danger sign.
That's a fishing line, which strangles and tangles you tight. He's a natural in the class of his own.
This is wonderful. I am feeling full grown.
But you have every reason to hold your head up high, like the most happy bells on your back. Say nice and straight.
But my bottom will bubble.
You keep paddling with your rubbers to keep paddling with your rubbers to see. To be dreaming and home. Just beneath the surface, you may struggle to ignore.
But nothing can deter
If
you.
you hold your head up Thank you, that's much better.
What did you mean when you said I'm not like my brothers and sisters? What is different?
Well, for one thing, I'm sure you can swim much better than they can.
Do you really think so? And what else?
You must try to remember, it's what's inside that matters most, not what we look like.